Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mike with liftedtrucks.com, and we're about to hook up the great Trey McBride with a new rig, a Hennessey TRX, King racing shocks, color matched front end, Vossen wheels. This thing is sick. Let's go see what he thinks.
There he is. That thing's sick. Yeah. That thing's bad A. Dude, that thing rips. That thing's sweet.
Like it?
Yeah. Love it, dude. This thing's bad A.
Mean.
It's mean, yeah. It's mean for sure.
One of the sickest trucks we've had.
For sure. Yeah, this thing's sick, dude. I'm excited for this one for sure. You want a sick truck like mine, go talk to my guys at liftedtrucks.com. Yeah. That shit's bad A.